Batteries are usually rated in Ampere-hour or Watt-hour, AH or WH. A indicates or denotes current, H is hour, this is W is watt, this is also hour. So this video is all about interconversion of Ampere-hour and Watt-hour, that is how to convert Ampere-hour to Watt-hour and vice versa. So please welcome to my JK Multimedia Solutions channel, and if you have not subscribed to my channels, please do so. Thank you. Now, Ampere-hour is denoted by AH, while Watt-hour is denoted by WH. So this formula has been derived and it has been thoroughly proved, okay, to be correct. So Ampere-hour is equal to Watt-hour divided by voltage, or if you make WH the subject of the formula, you have Watt-hour is equal to Ampere-hour multiplied by voltage. So we are going to see how these two formulas are derived as we move on in this video. So now, ampere, A is ampere, V is voltage. So the ampere is the unit of current, where volt is the unit of voltage. H is hour. We are not using SI unit of time here. We are using hour instead of second. Second is SI unit of time. But in this situation, we are using hour. Now, let us derive formula for interconversion of Ampere-hour and Watt-hour. From power, P is equal to VI, where P is the power in the watts and V is the voltage in volts, I is the current in ampere. Then we can, in place of P, we can write the unit to represent P, which is watts. So W is equal to VI. And from there, if you multiply both sides by H, this is what you will get. Or you can rearrange and have this. So from there, we can now say Watt-hour is equal to Ampere-hour multiplied by voltage. So anytime you are given a battery rating in Ampere-hour, provided that you know the voltage, just multiply the Ampere-hour by the voltage, you get the rating in Watt-hour. And from here, you can make Ampere-hour the subject of the formula, and you will get Ampere-hour is equal to Watt-hour divided by voltage. So anytime you are given battery rating in Watt-hour, provided that you know the voltage of the battery, so just divide the Watt-hour by the voltage and you get the rating of the battery in Ampere-hour. Moving on, let us look at some fundamentals. AH, which is Ampere-hour, is battery rating in terms of electric charge. That is IT, which is equal to Q, or Ampere-hour is equal to Q. What we are saying is that when you look at Ampere-hour, it's the same thing as multiplying current by time, and that one will give you, it will give us Q, that is quantity of or the charge in coulomb. So, and that is why we are saying that Ampere-hour is the battery rating in terms of charge, and the other one, Watt-hour, is the battery rating in terms of energy. So when you look at that, PT, or we say E energy is PT, because energy is what do we call power multiplied by the time. So, and from there, we can, in place of P, we can write W, and in place of T, time, we can write H. So, and we now have watt hour is equal to energy, E. And that's why we are saying watt hour is the battery rating in terms of energy. Now, illustrations. Let's use some examples to illustrate the interconversion of ampere-hour and watt-hour. Number 1. A battery is rated 12 volt 200 ampere-hour. Calculate the rating of the battery in watt-hour at 12 volts. Number 2. A battery is rated 12 volt 100 watt-hour. Determine the rating of the battery in ampere-hour at 12 volts. Those are the two questions. Now, solutions to the illustrations. Number 1. The rating of the battery is given in ampere-hour, and we have to calculate its rating in watt-hour. And in number 2, the rating is given in watt-hour, and we have to calculate the rating in ampere-hour. Alright, so from these two formulas, this and this, derived earlier on, so we can write WH, which is watt-hour, is equal to ampere-hour multiplied by the voltage. So, and this one give us the value of the watt-hour. Therefore, the battery rating is 12 volts 200 ampere-hour, or 12 volts 2400 watt-hour, that is 2400 watt-hour. So, number 2, AH, ampere-hour, is equal to WH divided by V, which is equal to 100 divided by 12. And this is the answer. Hence, the battery rating is 12 volts 100 watt-hour, or 12 volts 8.33 ampere-hour. Finally, please do subscribe to my JK Multimedia Solutions channel if you have not done so, and please expect more concise and superb videos. Thanks for watching.